Okay, picking up where we left off in the last installment, we're fitting this patch panel in. So what I did was knocked off some of the old paint around the edge, just make the welding a little easier. I'll show you how easy it actually is to knock the paint off. It's not a big process where you got to go at it for a long time. It's just knock it off real quick. Okay, so there's that. Now we'll go ahead and see about fitting in the piece and fire up the welder. And there's a lot of ways you could do this. I've stuck it in with tape before. I've screwed a little spanner across here on each side to hold it where I wanted it. Right now I happen to be using magnets. And basically you get the critical areas aligned, throw a tack weld on them, and put them where you want them. And in these kind of cases too, simple screwdriver is a good assistant because it'll allow you to pry it into place as you go along. So we'll line this up, a couple of pieces here, make sure it's straight along here, which it looks pretty good. And let me fire up the welder and we'll stick it into place. Okay, we are using a TIG welder today, but doesn't matter. I've done it with MIGs, and actually my kind of go-to machine is a inexpensive Harbor Freight MIG welder. It's quick, it's easy to use, fairly effective. So here we'll stick in a couple of these and wiggle it around where we want it. You just hit the spots that are level, good for you, and then the ones that don't line up, you'll wiggle them into place. They just wiggle and work the panel into place and tack it into place and just keep doing it. And there you have it. The process just keeps repeating until the panel's finished. And then